Hello, my people. In this video, we will see how to change your voice during a Zoom meeting. The first and the most important pass is go to this page. And next, you have the 5 best voice changers for Zoom. The first is voice mode. You have pros or cons, and voice mode is a real-time voice changer that works seamlessly with Zoom. It offers a wide variety of voice and sound effects, making it ideal for entertainment or adding a creative twist to your calls. Other is voice.ai. You have pros and cons, 3 altered studio, 4 Morph Box Pro, and 5 Fine Voice. And well, the process start with the step 1. Ask to Level Labs API to start sign up for an Level Up account and access to API. Here, the API gives you the tools to create custom voice that can be used for real-time voice modification. Step 2, create, clone, or use a voice. Voice cloning will play a sample of your voice to create a digital replica, custom voice creation. Use Level Labs Turbo 2.5 model to generate a new voice that suits your needs. Step 3, set up a real-time audio processing. Although Level Labs primarily focuses on text-to-speech, you can integrate the generate voice models with real-time audio processing software. Tools like voice mode or custom voice applications can bridge Level Labs API with Zoom, allowing you to use your custom voice in live calls. Step 4, customize your voice output. Step 5, test and optimize. And final thought. You have a Fox. For example, can use a voice changer on Zoom without technical knowledge and others. Well, that's all. If you like the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.